I hope you have seen part 1. If you haven't watched, then you can find in playlist. Okay, when we scale, this problem occurs. To solve this, simply increase the thickness value. Okay, now add circle by pressing Shift A and rotate it 90 degree and move it in front of ghost character. This will work as eye controller. Then go to edit mode and give shape whatever you like. I will give simply oval shape. After, select the left eye and go to Constraints tab. Then add Shrink Wrap constraint and target object to ghost body N. Then add Copy Scale and give target object to eye controller that we give an oval shape. Tick mark on offset. Same process for other eye also. Now we will make expression. With the help of Shape key. Go to Object Data in Shape key panel, press 2 times plus icon. First one is basic shape key and second one. We will make shape. Make sure first turn on pin icon and then go to edit mode and give shape whatever expression you want to make. I want to make angry expression. Do it same process for other eye and mouth. Now we have made the shape for expression, but we have to select individually object and increase the value to make shape. It will become harder for animator to animate. So to solve this problem we will use driver. But first we will make eyes, mouth, and eye controller parent to ghost body. So first select eyes, mouth, the eye controller and then select ghost body, then press Ctrl P and select object. Now eye controller, mouth, and eyes will move with ghost body. Then add plane, rotate it 90 degree and move front of ghost character. Then in viewpoint panel change it to wire. This plane will work as expression controller. Then select the left eye and go to shape key value and press right click and choose add driver. Then in object menu select the plane that we added. For location X, which is already selected, and then on down change it to local space, and then on upper drop down menu select average value. Do its same process for other eye and mouth. Scale it eyes little bit with eye controller.
Then we will make plane parent to ghost body. First select the plane, then select ghost body. Control P and select object. Then select plane and move it on X location and angry expression is forming. You can use this process for make other expression. Select again left eye and press plus icon in shape key panel and start making expression. I will make sad expression.
Now add driver, then select average value, then in object menu select plane and in location choose Z-axis, then choose local space. Then click on Show in Driver Editor. Then click on arrow and hide key 1 and key 2. Then select key 3 and to make negative value just rotate the line. You can see now if we move plane on z-axis left eye will express. Do same process for other eye and mouth. Now you can see if we move plane on down z-axis it will express sad expression, and if we move plane up on z-axis it will express shock expression. You can do this same process for other axis also. For negative location just go to driver editor and rotate the line as same as we done before. I hope you learned something. Please give it like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.